Hey guys, this is Skeleton Bro, and we're here with the last part of this little mini series, which is gonna be how to render and save your text. So now that we've done all the changes to it, we've changed the font, we've changed the size, we've changed the color, and we've changed what the actual text says itself. It's time we're gonna save this as an image because can't really use it for that as it is right now. So to do that, we're gonna go over to render, which is on the top left, and we're gonna hit render image. Now, when you do this, it's gonna load, and it might take a few seconds. Um, but currently I have it set up so it renders an image that's the size of 1920 by 1080p, so it's HD. It's gonna be great. So once we have that, we're gonna click image, save as, and we're just gonna find a place to save this. I have a folder for all of the 3D text that I make. I'm just gonna call this skeleton. Alright, Vermin Vibes. Vermin Vibes. And we're just going to save that as an image. Now that we've done that, that's really it. You can navigate to that file, find it, and yeah. So really quickly here, I just have Paint.net open, so I'm going to click File, Open. We're going to navigate our way to the 3D text that I have, which is Skeleton Vermin Vibes, and we can open it and see it's just an image. We can do whatever we want to it now. We can add an outline if we want, etc. You can paint all over this, doesn't matter. It's a PNG. Use it as you wish. That's going to be it for this little tutorial series. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That'll be greatly appreciated. I know some of you are looking out there for some Zomstral videos. I plan on making some more of those soon. So stay tuned, and yeah, goodbye.